our next step is we are going to make this cut, and the sketch of this cut is shown here, but the dimension, like a lot of dimensions are missing, so uh, we may assume 2 dimensions for it. Okay, and from here to here it's given as 4 mm. Open the sketching on the top face and then go to normal view. Then I am going to select offset. I am going to select this and make it reverse. Okay, then again offset and this and add reverse. We are adding 4 mm offset. Same for this and this. 4. Again offset this reverse direction 4, and again offset this one reverse direction. You just observe that in which direction we want, like we want in that direction, so that's why I'm going to select the reverse. Okay, now I am going to add a circle like that, and from here to here it's I'm going to give that dimension 8, and again circle from this center and on this center. When you go to this edge of that circle, it will center appear, so add that dimension from here to here. I'm going to make it 4, and from here to this circle it's also 8. From here to here this dimension is also 8. Now simply I am going to first trim something. I'm going to trim this. These are not required. I am going to trim this and this. These are not required, and I am going to trim this and this. Just move to, and now I am going to go here on and select the extend entities. So I want to extend this line and this line till this circle, and again this line and this line. Now again I am going to select the trim command. I want to remove the unnecessary lines and arcs. So this is our sketch, which is fully defined, but keep in mind these 2 dimensions are not given, 8 and 8. We just added it, and go to we needed to cut it. So how much cut we want, it's given in 10 on both direction, so I am going to select 10. Now this is done. Then we needed to make these cut mirror. I am going to select this last cut, and I am going to mirror it, and it's asking mirror face or plane, on which plane we wanted to mirror it. So I am going to select it the top plane, so it's mirror with the reference of top plane, this cut. So now when you rotate this model, you can see the cut is on both direction. So that's our final thing. Now our model is ready. Just save it.